Hello everybody, I hope everybody's safe and well. I just would like to share with you this video. Probably that's gonna be very helpful for you guys. BMW M5 F10 2013. I had a gearbox problem, which was the clutch. How did I found out the clutch is gone? I was driving the car 100 miles per hour, not really a long distance. Suddenly when I reached my garage, I tried to park the car. When I put the reverse and start make noise, when you release it, it does it as well. So when you put it on reverse, you're not gonna hear it now, but it make dig dig. When you release it to neutral, it does as well, dig dig. When you put it on drive, exactly same sound it does. You'll not be able to hear it now, but anyhow, so that's what the problem started. I driven the car after that. It doesn't make any problem. The gear engage, goes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven with no problem at all. When you approach the traffic light, if the car on the second gear, it's gonna go to the first gear, it does make noise. It's just like pushing, to engage the first gear. Sometimes it doesn't stay on the second because of the problem. So that's what I had, and then after that, of course, I took it to the expert. He put the diagnostic, he checked the temperature and all that. He said to me, there's something wrong with the clutch. We took the gearbox off, and we found out the clutch is gone. And now you're gonna see the other videos as well, sections of the videos, how we took the gearbox off, and then how the clutch is being burned. The discs, you can see the discs is being burned and worn out, and I hope you're not gonna have that problem, because it's costly. It cost me nearly £3,000 for everything, and I have my own garage as well too, so I do body work. But I took it to the mechanic, which is I know, and then he looked after me, but it cost me about £3,000, and this was my discount. So I hope you have not that problem. But if you come across that problem, so, and then exactly what I explained to you, so this is the clutch is gone. It's nothing else. It's not, you don't have to change the gearbox, it cost you a fortune or whatever. It's just the clutch. And then that's the gearbox. It's off the car, being stripped. We just took the clutch kit, and then here it is. We opened it, and then we took the clutches kit off, and then you can see the wearing. Got a line here like a scratch on the sides, and then you can see how it's being burned, and it's only 30,000 miles on the clock. It's not on the right condition. And here the discs as well, you can see changing color and worn as well too. So that's the clutch. Okay, the car on the ramp now. Of course, exhaust is off, everything is off. These some parts as well off. Here it is. Everything is being stripped. Sorry we haven't got a light here, but I'm just showing you guys the gearbox of the car just to find out what the problem. It's a big job. It's a big job. Here it is, a new clutch. We just bought it from main dealer. Of course it's packed. I'm not going to open it now in case it's gonna go all over the floor in pieces. So that's the clutch, brand new from BMW main dealer, and plus we got the temperature sensor as well. This is common as well. We have to replace it in case, otherwise if that's not gonna be replaced and something wrong with it, we have to take the gearbox again. Of course as well, we got 9 liters of hydraulic oil for the gearbox as well from main dealer, BMW Group, DCTF 1 Plus. So it takes 8.5 liters, but we just got 9 liters. And yeah, so everything has to be brand new from main dealer just in case for that lovely car.